Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another video of Dillenium Creatives, and today I'm going to share with you a very simple, very easy technique to create a leaves tree in Adobe Illustrator. So if you're a beginner learning Illustrator, then this tutorial might help you to create these type of leaves pattern. So very simple, very easy to do. So let's start with me now. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do, I will simply create a background layer with a whitish gray option. So you can see that I'm choosing this rectangular tool and creating a background layer and press Ctrl 2 to lock the layer. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I will choose the shape. I will choose the ellipse tool from the shape section and dragging a simple oval like this. So you can see that here is our oval filled with the black color, and here using the pen tool, I want to use the anchor point tool here and to just click on both the edges, so it will convert into a sharp pointed edges. So you can see that how it will showing a leaf structure right now. I'm now going to pen tool again and creating two curved lines connecting together in a form of a stripe, and just here you can see that. And now going to select each and everything together, but before that make sure to take a copy of this. So the leaf structure, because I want to create on two leaf brushes, so that's why I took a copy. And now going to select each and everything on the first leaf, like you can find the pathfinder from the window, and here you can choose the pathfinder and just subtract it. And now working on the second leaf, make it a little longer and slimmer, and so you can see that both are ready to go into the brushes library. Go to window and here choose the brushes section, and the brushes library will be open. Now drag both the leaves one by one in the brushes library to create an art brush, and here to make the settings, reduce the scaling size and the color more distinct and shade, and fill it along. And with the same setting, I want to create the another brush here, and press OK. So here you can see that both the brushes are in the library now. So removing from here, and now going to use it for using the brush option, created a simple stripe like this. Play with it before doing it, before making your these are the branches of the tree that I'm going to create. You can make it little thicker, thinner, or whatever you want in a multiple direction, because these are the random branches that I'm creating here and there. And play with it, that if you want to make it thicker, you can increase the stroke size. If you want to make it thinner, then you can decrease the stroke size. So here you can see that I have used 0.5 pixels here and simply created these type of random branches like this. To select each and everything together and go to object and expand appearance, and now going to change the color of tree to brown color. You can change it later as well. That I'm going to do now, taking this stripe leaf structure and go to paintbrush and define the proper stroke size, that which type of leaf that you want to track. And here you can see that hand dimension is very important, how you are rotating your hand, because if you want to go with the slight light-handed way, then it will show you a different structure, or if you want to make it tight, then it will show a different structure. So you can play with that how do you want to create these type of leaf patterns around the tree. So if you move it, then it will be a little curvy in texture. So here you can see that how it will be forming. I don't want to pack the complete tree with the stripe leaves, because I want to use the other leaf as well. So here you can see that our leaf are ready. Now going to change the stroke size, and here choosing the paintbrush and using the second leaf structure. Now with the 0.5 points, I am creating another leaf to make it thinner, thicker, smaller or bigger, whatever you want. It depends upon you. So here you can see that I'm creating different sizes of these leaves around it. So guys, our tree structure is almost ready. Now what I'm going to do, I will simply go to the select each and everything together and go to the object and here expand appearance, and now ready to apply the colors to it. Here I'm using the default gradient, and now press Ctrl F9 to open the gradient window, and here you can choose the color as per your requirement. I want to choose the light green yellow with a combination of dark green, just removing the the existing colors and changing it to the color of the here. I choose the light green. I want to give it a little fall effect, so I want to keep the yellow on place, and but it depends upon you. If you want to change it, then it's up to you. Okay, so here you can see that our tree structure is absolutely ready. Here you can see that different forms of different color of leaves are there, light green, yellow, and the dark green. So here you can see that to change the branches color as well with the same color of the leaves gradient. So here you can see that how it will be looking like now. So very simple, very easy to do. By using the brush you can create a complete tree just within few minutes. So very simple, easy technique that I shared with you. So if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.